India versus New Zealand 2026 First ODI match details and both team playing 11. First ODI match date 11 January 2026 time 1:30 pm venue Kotambi Stadium. India team best playing 11. Number 1 Rohit Sharma. Number 2 Shubman Gill. Number 3 Virat Kohli. Number 4 Shreyas Iyer. Number 5 KL Rahul. Number 6 Hardik Pandya. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 Harshit Rana. Number 9 Arshdeep Singh. Number 10 Kuldeep Yadav. And number 11 Prasidh Krishna. New Zealand team best playing 11. Number 1 Henry Nicholls. Number 2 Devon Conway. Number 3 Glenn Phillips. Number 4 Will Young. Number 5 Michael Braswell. Number 6 Josh Clarkson. Number 7 Daryl Mitchell. Number 8 Mitchell Hay. Number 9 Aditya Ashok. Number 10 Christian Clark. And number 11 Kyle Jamieson.